Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here today. I want to talk about the biggest pain point in our industry today, and that is shipping your product to you from our factory. We have options specifically suited for you, and those would be LTL freight, where we schedule the freight and send to you via truck, or you schedule the freight for us and then we ship it for you, or you come and pick up the freight here at the factory. That is also an option. And those are a few ways that you can make this work. But one of the biggest points of contention that I want to talk about here is that we as a company are not a freight company. We use third-party logistics services or freight services to move the product, to move your product from our factory to your location. And one of the biggest problems that we run into is we hit damage along the way, and we need to make sure that you inspect that damage before you sign and receive that machine so that you're not liable. It's been one of the biggest problems for many years now, and it's progressively gotten worse over the years as many of the freight companies have gotten much more reckless and careless over the years with your precious product that we have taken our hard time to build. And a lot of times we cannot help you unless you help us document what's happened when you get the product. But again, there's only a few options there. You picking the product up from the factory, or us shipping, or you shipping via a freight truck. So I hope that helps, but one thing again I want to point out is to make sure that you guys understand that we are not a freight company, and so we cannot control a lot of the delays and a lot of the damages that happen to the product. So just keep that in mind even before you receive the product, and make sure that you're ready to work with us if something is bad, something is damaged, because we are there to support you. We just need to make sure we have documentation ready to submit to the freight companies. But as always, if you have questions, please email or call the sales team. We're always here. Happy to help. Thanks for watching.